Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit phone hologram video in CapCut. So the first thing that you need to do is prepare or record a video of yourself scoring on your phone like this. Then you also need to make a screen recording video of your phone while you scrolling. So here I've already have both videos. So here this is the video of someone scrolling a phone, and then the next thing is you can just click on import the screen recording video as an overlay. So just click on overlay and click on add overlay and choose the screen recording video like this, and then just edit the video. You can just click on edit and crop the bottom and also the top of the video like this. Okay, click on the check icon, and then to fade out the bottom of the video to make it like a hologram, go to mask. Okay, go to mask and then choose split, and then adjust how much you want to see the screen. So I'm going to go with like this, and then after that to adjust how to make a fade out, like a fade out effects of the bottom of the screen. You can just click on the two arrows in the mask to have a fade out looks of the screen like this. So I'm going to go with like that, and then after that click on a check icon and then adjust the opacity into your liking. I'm going to go like this, and then after that click on the check icon, and then I'm going to adjust the size of the video, and then I'm going to put it in here. So it will go like this. Okay, I'm going to make it small so it looks like it pop up on the phone like this. And let's see the result. So that's the tutorial on how you can make a phone hologram video in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.